Hi, just wanted to let you know I am taking a break, short one, over the holidays here in the US. Of course, it's Christmas or Xmas or the holidays for people who get weird about whatever they get weird about. I think around the 20th, 21st, I am flying home to see my family. I'm spending time with them, my wife, my children, my mom, my brothers, all that, nephews and everything else. And I'm disconnecting. It's a good thing to do that once a year for a week or two. I'll be back after the new year, doing some more awesome stuff, like really ramping it up. And boy, I got a lot of stuff for you guys coming in the new year. You're gonna be like, what? I just wanted to do this video before I took off and just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for being a viewer. Thanks to all of you who have been with me over these many years. Thank you for your support. Thank you for supporting and continuing to support my efforts over at Basic Filmmaker University and the Basic Filmmaker University Facebook group. I love you guys. Thanks for all your comments, your questions, and just thanks for everything. Take the holidays and do something you love, be it shooting video or spending time with your family or getting with your kids or reading a good book by the fire. No matter what you celebrate, no matter what religion you are, no matter what it is, take some time, take a little break, enjoy life, enjoy those around you, enjoy being alive, and thank you. Have a great holiday, and we'll see you next year.